Okay, let's try to align some faces. What do you mean faces? Well, we need to create some faces. So let's do an A to select everything and delete to delete all these items. Then do a Shift A and add a mesh plane. Go into edit mode with the tab key, tabbing, and on the plane hit Ctrl R to add an edge loop. So left click, and then do a G set and move that edge up a little bit. So you get like the shape of a book. Okay. Now I'm also showing the normals here, like the face normals. You find that here under this little tool called Show Overlays. If I click on the little arrow and go all the way down, you can see a little icon there that actually shows or hides the normals. So I want to show them, and this is like how you can change the size of those normals. So you can see currently they're definitely not parallel. They're like they're on an angle with each other. So that's not what I want. That's part one. So tab key to go back into object mode. Hit the R key twice and rotate randomly. I don't care how. And then G, move it up a little bit. Clickety click. Yeah, so you can see like this book has a weird rotation, and I want to make sure that these two faces are nicely parallel with each other. So how do I do that? Now, the first thing you could do is like go into edit mode, select all your vertices with the A key, and do something like a scale x0, so SX0. But that doesn't work because, I mean, it uses like those global coordinates, and that's not what we want. So Ctrl Z. So how does it work? Well, first of all, you want to make sure you select one of the vertices. So I'll do a Alt A to unselect all of them, and then I select one of them. I move my cursor there with Shift S. So cursor to selected. I want to make sure that like my pivot point becomes that 3D cursor. So I'll change that here. So transform pivot point. I want to set it to 3D cursor. And I also want to make sure that like I change from global coordinates to local coordinates. So local. I then hit the A key to select all my vertices. You can see like I want to move this face in that direction and this face also in that direction, which is actually the Z direction. So rather than doing a scale around X, I'm going to do a scale around Z. So scale Z0. And there you go. Now I've got these two faces nicely like well, aligned with each other, and that's exactly what I want. You can see those two normals are now like parallel with each other, and that's what I was trying to achieve here. So back to the tab key, and you can see like now I've got my plane still in the same orientation, but the two faces are properly aligned with each other. So that's how you do it. Have fun, bye bye.